Vunair Airlines is one of the largest airline companies in the world. They operate flights to all major tourist destinations. Since they have a massive IT infrastructure to support their business, they use the Link Aggregation Control Protocol, LACP, to combine several physical ports into a single logical channel. This helps them overcome the traditional bandwidth challenges associated with Ethernet connections. Another benefit provided by LACP is that it allows Vunair Airlines to implement failover mechanisms in case one network interface fails. Vunair Airlines has been using CA spectrum to monitor and manage relationships between their IT assets and associated business services. They can now use the out-of-the-box capabilities of CA Spectrum 9.4 to discover and identify devices that have link aggregation turned on. The devices are visible in the one-click Spectrum console, and you can view various details such as ports involved in the aggregation and the status of the aggregation. The administrators in Vunair can also use the Spotlight View button to highlight only the devices that have aggregation turned on. All the other devices would be grayed out. Additionally, the administrator can also set alarm thresholds to get appropriate alarms when some or all of the ports of the port channel are down. Let's go ahead and see a short demonstration on working with LACP devices in CA Spectrum 9.4.
During the discovery process, Spectrum automatically reads the LACP-related information and models the device accordingly. Once the devices are discovered and modeled, one can easily view the LACP devices and peers by using the Spotlight View. First, let's open the one-click console and navigate to the universe or the container where the devices have been modeled. Expand universe or a container within it. For this demo, some devices have already been discovered and modeled in a container named LACP, and a subset of these devices have LACP configured. Observe the topology view shows the devices that are discovered by Spectrum. Click the Spotlight View. Select the LACP devices list from the drop-down menu. The list of devices that supports LACP in this particular topology view is displayed. The devices are listed as actors. Click on them to view the connected devices and presenters using LACP. Click Close. To know which port channels are configured with this device, select the device. Scroll down. Click the Information tab. Expand LACP port aggregation table. Wait until the port details are loaded. Observe the LACP port aggregation table. It displays the aggregator ID and the channel details, such as the actor MAC address and partner MAC address. These details help in understanding which port channel is configured with which device. Now, let's click the Interfaces tab. Here you can view the interface details. Click the Expands All Interfaces view. In the expanded view, observe the IEEE 8023 ADLAC interfaces. These are the interfaces that are participating in port channels. Now, let's set the threshold levels for the alarms. Once again, click Universe. Select VNM. Then, check the Information view. Expand LACP threshold configuration. CA Spectrum allows you to configure threshold alarms for port channels configured using LACP. This is done in a way so that alarms are generated based on the percentage of ports of the port channel that go down. For example, in a port channel with 3 ports, 1 port going down can relate to a minor alarm, while 2 and 3 ports going down can relate to major and critical alarms respectively. Now, let me show you a device where the threshold condition is met. To view the alarm, select the device. Click the Alarms tab. Observe that one of the interfaces participating in link aggregation is showing minor condition. This indicates that 50% ports participating in the port channel are down. To view the alarm details, click the information icon. Here you can view the alarm details. Click Close. In the CA Spectrum one-click console, you can also search using the Locator tab. First, expand Devices. Then, expand Supports Application. Select LACP. The Select Landscapes to Search dialog box is displayed. Select the landscape and click OK to search for it. Observe in this scenario, 3 devices that support LACP get listed. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, visit www.ca.com/education.